We're at a buddy of mine's house performing a bee removal with the bee man. And before we get started, we'd like to remind people that this is an expert doing his job. This is not a demonstration on how to do a bee removal yourself. If you have a bee problem in your area, please call your local beekeeper. And if you have a problem in your area here in the valley, please call us at 956-647-2864. Go ahead and enjoy the show, guys. Should be a good one.
These thorns are nasty. Welcome to the South Texas brush. We got mesquite, nice little thorn right here. Thorns on the floor. It's a cute little hive. Looks like an old cooler or whatnot. Trying to get him out of the brush. Smooth it up some. Get up in there. No power tools for those rookies that will be using power tools to cut or trim brush out. Calm before the storm. Beautiful sunset. South Texas. The region folks like to call the Magic Valley. Is this in your way where you're filming? Here.
It looks kind of mystical.
There. Start getting up in here. Let me give folks an old cooler. And that's funny because it's your styrofoam hive body, and they're able to adapt to the heat, South Texas heat, maybe because they got ventilation on that side. This side's well ventilated. Once again, I'm a professional. Please don't try this at home. Told me it was in a cardboard box. Alright, the trick is gonna be getting it on this side. Because the grass is unforgiving. Nice little cooler for the beach.
Be a nice little prank.
Yeah. I'm all set. Damn. The real cowboys have one eye. The other eye gets taken out by the barbed wire thing, but at the okie dokie. Let's see, this thing doesn't fall apart on me. Let's bring it out of here where I can work with it. It's a box full of fun.
Damn, there's thorns on the floor.
Yeah. What do you think? I'm on that board right here. That bee man is an educated fella.
On tal JP.
JP, shout out to JP. We're still waiting for you to come down here and take you out to Mexico. Drink some beers and look for some senoritas. I'm just talking smack, you know, our old lady will whoop us. you get a close-up from this side? From the front?
Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me start cutting back some. There's your hive beetles, IMP trap on the top. Get some of those off a little bit. A little bit for me.
None for the cameraman.
A little bit for me because it's hot. Helps bring down the humidity. Let's start splitting this apart. I swear, if somebody wants to come and do an internship with us for the summer, this will be your job, to rubber band frames.
Maybe some of them A&M students.
This is the glamorous. Yeah, no, my application for A&M, supposedly I didn't get accepted to the PhD program because my application wasn't as competitive enough as other applicants in the beat lab.
So you're telling me that scientists in a lab that never been exposed to this have more credentials?
My gray turns there.
Because you get a bunch of bees?
I'm a typical bee student. Check out this. Check this cute. This is cute. Got a bunch of little snails coexisting with the bee. Those are little snail. And they're live. So, here. Okie dokie. It's a box of fun. You should ask them for a bowl, see if they want some of that honey. Some mesquite honey.
Alrighty.
Alright, girl. I need to get upstairs. You're wearing your PPE?
As any good beekeeper should. The great ones don't.
That's good, honey. That's South Texas best. Because those that excel in their craft have drive and determination.
And that's the bee man's quote of the day.
Or at least that's what they raise you up thinking.
No De Niro face yet?
No, mosquitoes are tearing me up, dude. I swear to God, I need somebody just to wire me frames. A master beekeeper to wire me frames.
Somebody that's been around for 20 plus years?
Y la otra vez se levanta en el cuello. What the fuck? Mosquitoes are tearing me up, man.
One stung me right now, dude. I thought it was a fucking thorn.
Would it be?
No, a mosquito.
Oh. Mosquitoes don't sting.
Okay, bite. My bad. I'm sorry.
My buddy, my buddy, my buddy and me.
Let me tell you about my bee friend.
About my beekeeping friend.
She just buzzes on me until the very end.
There's a bunch of wild guys. There's a bunch of wild guys. Did you get the back of the cat?
Bee strong honey.
Are you getting down here?
Yep.
You should get over on this side. Where I'm cutting this bad boy out.
I think I was better off on the other side.
Why?
Because your arm's in the way.
Oh. Oh yeah, bread and butter.
What?
You never partied with Chen before?
What's the matter? You never done a bad line of honey before?
You never ate bad honey? Or what is not bad honey, what's the fermented honey before and get drunk? Nice drone. I like to take the drones with me to keep the diversity in the bee yard.
But what if they become Africanized?
Oh my god. Please no. I'm the beekeeper the documentaries on National Geographic warn you about.
They're gonna make the sequel of the swarm about you.
Yeah.
Beekeeper breeding Africanized bees.
There's them crazy guys down in South Texas messing with them killer bee. Either you with us or you're against us. We got a whole clan waiting to be the end of you if you're against us. As some folks have already learned. How these sneak in there?
This has that mosquito right there.
Hmm? Say what?
Oh, that's a Kodak moment.
I like to kiss them before I put them in the box.
That's deep.
That way they know. I love them forever. And I'm gonna hug them and hold them and kiss them and love them forever. Quote unquote worst line I've ever heard. Worst thing somebody's told me after the grass fire. When we lost all those hives. Hey man, sorry, what happened to your friends?
That sounds pretty gay to me. Excuse my language, folks. Not gay like in, you know, gay, just, you know.
Not extremely gay.
Hello Kitty gay.
fucking mosquito that too. Damn. No, pues. Ándale, ándale, arriba, arriba. For your stereotype.
You know, Speedy Gonzalez got taken off the air because it demonstrated Mexican racism?
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
That was cartoon was racist as fuck.
It was. You had Speedy Gonzalez and Lento Rodriguez.
And then he had his friend that was always high.
Wasn't that Lento Rodriguez?
Rochatillo. I don't remember their name.
May have been racist, but
I
it was.
remember aspiring to be like him. Growing up Hispanic in America.
I'd say you.
Those were the role models we had to look up to.
If you aspire to be like him, I gotta tell you, you failed
White
miserably.
folks had Ninja Turtles and had all the cool cartoons.
Ninja Turtles and Power Rangers. We had Speedy Gonzalez and Chabelo. Is that show still running?
Hey, show them fun. Homeowners are barbecuing like ain't out there.
Yeah, look, this is how good the bee man is. We got the bees out there working. And we have these lovely folks barbecuing over here. That, my friends, is...
They're gonna invite us to...
Yeah. That, my friends, is control. So for those of you that call him the bee whisperer...
The we?
The we? You were
Go
great.
grab me some more frames from the truck.
Alright.
I'll find her right now. I'm giving them time to regroup and go ball around her. And I'll look for the telltale signs of where she's at.
And boom.
Bam! We got ourselves a queen, boys. And I ain't talking about them queens, that dancing queen.
See that bee? Do the high sound.
Oh, you can dance, you can dance, having the time of your life.
Oh, see that girl.
No, plus, we have to frame these up in another box.
We still have frames?
Yeah. Where you at, girlfriend? Well, if I can't find her, it's not a biggie. It's just more a personal. sounds of thorn. Yeah. These thorns hurt more than the bees. It's all fun and games, so I picked a scorpion. They coexist together. There you go. There we go. You see her? You see her? You see her? Did you zoom in on her?
Yeah.
Over here. She's over here. Hurry.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you, Heavenly Father, for helping me find her.
She's gorgeous.
Little bee kiss.
Oh, qué bonito.
Thank you, Father, for letting me catch her. Amen. Go show it to the homeowner. You want to see the queen bee, man? You want to see the queen?
Yeah. Can we get a picture of it?
Yeah. I'll have to take her out so you can.
Oh man.
Like a roach.
Damn. Yeah, I saw you like after you were digging through everything. I was like, oh, we're looking for the queen.
Yeah.
That's crazy, man. I've never seen a queen bee before.
Here, let me. I got honey in my hands. Let me lick it.
Oh, so sweet.
We filled up that,
The thing?
yeah, the bowl for you, man.
Damn, that is insane, dude.
Crazy, right? Trying to get her.
How did the honey taste?
Well, it's mesquite honey, man. It's good honey.
Yeah.
Yeah, this chick's not. There we go.
You got another one on your shoulder. That's pretty crazy. Yeah, that's so crazy. I've never seen like somebody actually take a stuff before.
Oh.
No. Oh, she's going back to the hive?
Yeah. She's gonna stop. Yeah, she flew.
Shit.
Nah, it's cool.
She's gonna start another one?
Nah.
I got her right here. Let me go over here, man.
Yeah. They're lively.
And that is the capture and recapture of a queen bee.
You don't have to film this one.
Okay. We're done, folks. Hope you enjoyed it.